Hey guys, welcome to a new video. It has been so long since I last recreated an old photograph and I really enjoy doing that because it's a lot of fun. It's a combination of playing dress up, trying to make some art, photo editing, all things I really enjoy. So yes, that's what I'm gonna do again today. I came across this photo recently on Instagram. In fact, I think someone tagged me in it. This is a photo of Connie Stuart, presumably an actress. This photo was taken around 1910 and I absolutely love it. Love everything about it, love her outfit, the flowers, the expression, the lighting, just everything about this. I think it's really beautiful and I would love to see myself in this setting. As we're gonna do today, I'm gonna go through outfit, hair, makeup, the taking of the photo and then the editing of the photo, see how close we can get to the original. And with this one I hope to mostly capture the vibe, honestly. It's often really hard to get all of the details exactly the same, especially clothing and things like that, but we're gonna try and capture the vibe of this photo as best as I can. For this one, I think I'm gonna start with picking out an outfit. Yes, let's do outfit first and then hair and makeup after. Let's go. Starting with the hat. I found this one. This seems to be the right size. It has more or less the same kind of circular pattern. I think she might be wearing something fairly similar. Of course, it's different, but similar enough. So all I need to do now is decorate this with a large fabric bow. So I have my bin of scarves here and I'm gonna look for one that is as neutral as possible in color because hers definitely isn't printed and I need it to be fairly light as well, which might be a bit of a problem in my collection, but we'll see what I can come up with. Oh, I think I'm gonna use this for the outfit later on, so let's put that aside. Good thing is here that this is going to be black and white, so what the actual color is doesn't really matter as long as it translates to a fairly light one on camera. I think these are the only non-printed scarves that I have at the moment. I think this one won't work, might be too see-through. I think these are similar enough in hue that they will come out looking fairly the same on camera. So I think I'm gonna use this one just because this has the weird kind of dual tone to it, which I'm not sure how that will translate onto black and white. Right now I just need to translate this into a bow. Somehow, I don't think I have enough to wrap around the hat. Nope, definitely not. So false bow it is. Something like this. I will just need to attach it somehow, and I do think it might be still a little bit too small, but that's about as big as I can get it with this scarf. Oops. Yeah, I do need to attach it somehow. I think I might just use a hairpin or something. But I think this might be good. I think that's the hat more or less sorted. So now I need to figure out how to mimic that top. There are a couple of distinctive features. There is that very clear kind of inward movement, I guess, of many layers of fabric and then the band across here, right under the bosom. So I think as long as I'm able to capture that, that will be, you know, the vibe pretty much settled down again. She does have very clear, kind of a very clear collar along here, and I don't think I have anything with that double point actually like I'm wearing here. My only blouses that I could use for this to fake that have just one point. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna have to work with that. So let's hop into my closet and see what we can find there. I think this might work. I have a lacy top on the bottom here, then a blouse with a collar on top of that, a scarf over that, and I'm gonna cinch it all with another scarf. Trying to keep the colors as similar as possible, but yeah, this is the best I could do. So we'll just have to try and make this work. Okay, before we move on to the transformation, I just wanted to take a minute to talk about today's sponsors. This video is kindly sponsored by Luisa, the jewelry brand that I have been working with for a long time now, and I absolutely adore everything they make. And Luisa is a jewelry brand that creates beautiful, dainty, very minimal, elegant pieces of jewelry, and they have a very clear sustainability goal. Their jewelry is made out of recycled materials. For the most part, they use only recycled gold for their jewelry pieces, and they only use lab-grown diamonds as well. Their silver is recycled as well, and the brass that they use is also recyclable. They make their jewelry in small batches to avoid waste, and everything I have from them is absolutely beautiful quality. I'm wearing some of their pieces today as well. This necklace and this ring that I have here. And this time I actually got some earrings to give my best friend. I picked these for her. Beautiful, beautiful, again, kind of minimal, elegant, very suitable for any occasion type of pieces. I just know she's absolutely going to love these. This brand is definitely worth checking out. I have quite a collection of jewelry from them now, and I adore all of my pieces. I wear them all the time. It's pretty much the only jewelry I wear anymore, except for my engagement ring. But yes, definitely be sure to check them out if you're looking for some very reasonably priced, great quality, sustainable, eco-friendly jewelry. They actually kindly offered a discount code for you guys. If you click in the link in the description box, you will get 10% off of your purchase. So be sure to check that out. Link in the description. So if you're looking for some beautiful, elegant jewelry for yourself or to give a loved one, then definitely be sure to check them out. I want to give a massive thank you to Luisa for sponsoring this video. And now it's time to get changed and start on hair and makeup. I have changed into at least part of the outfit. So first I want to do my hair, and I think a very important part of this whole look is the curls. So I'm gonna start by curling my hair first, and then I'm gonna do my makeup while my curls are cooling down and setting and drying. So I'm starting with some heat protector on my hair, just to make sure I don't damage it too much. And I am going to be curling all of my hair with a fairly small curling iron. I believe this is my 1-inch barrel that I have here. And I'm gonna go section by section, start at the bottom layer of my hair and then work my way up slowly. And I'm going to try and make ringlets of my hair so that I can then have those beautiful ringlet curls on the bottom like she has. I'm gonna use my heat protection glove. I always get many questions about these, by the way, but they often just come with curling wands. The ones that don't have a clip, they often come with a glove like this. So all the ones I have came with my curling irons. So I'm afraid I can't be of much help if you're looking for one. But if you look for like curling iron glove or something like that, you should be able to find them. Heat resistant glove. But I am wrapping my hair around the curling iron in a flat strip like that, as you can see, and that is going to allow me to get ringlets once I release my curls, which I'm not going to, by the way, because once this is heated through, I'm gonna slide it out into a little pin curl, pinch it, so that I have a flat little curl like that, which I'm then going to clip to my head using a little duckbill clip, and I'm gonna let it cool down like that in this curled shape. And I'm just gonna do that all over my entire head of hair. It's gonna take a while, so I will just do all of that off camera and be back when everything is curled. Hair is curled, curls are setting, so let's move on to makeup. Now, in this era, the 1900s, 1910s, women didn't wear a lot of makeup, and you can definitely tell in this picture Connie isn't wearing a lot of makeup either. So I'm gonna keep things simple, just do a little bit of a no makeup look with possibly just some lipstick. Anyways, I'm gonna use some base makeup today because it's the time of the month and I have some spots on my face. So let's get rid of those. And if they still show through, I can always edit them out, but the less I have to edit, the better. I'm using this NYX Tinted Skin Veil, by the way. Now I'm gonna go over with some concealer, dark circles first. I just want my face to be as much of a blank canvas as possible. So then she has very beautiful, delicate, thin eyebrows. Mine are not, not that. So I'm gonna try and kind of comb them inward using this tinted brow gel to try and maybe make them look a little bit thinner. But I'm afraid this is gonna just be a discrepancy between the original photo and mine. So last step is lipstick, and she does have those beautiful small kind of doll-like lips. I'm gonna try and get that look as well, accentuate that a little bit. There we go. Hair next. I think my curls have cooled down by now. They should have in any case. So let's just take them down and try and make something of this. Okay, base curls. So the most important things about this hairstyle are the ringlets down the bottom. I need at least three actually, that are visible in the photo. Volume up top should be doable. I see one problem. My ringlets are very short compared to hers. Okay, I'll mix some ringlets in one strip of hair extension. I think will be enough, and just add that on later. So that means I can just brush this out, create some volume. So in that case, I'm just gonna brush this out, create some more cohesive wave clumps and a little bit of poofiness, and get this into a nice and big updo that my head can then rest on. I think that looks pretty good. So okay, I'm gonna leave a little bit down to kind of go over that strip of extensions. Is this alright? No, I need it on this side. Okay, so I need some hair on this side. Leave that down to cover the top of those extensions, and everything else is just gonna come up. I think I'm gonna push most of my hair forward a little bit to maintain as much of that volume as I can. The nice thing about recreating a photo is that it doesn't have to actually look good. It just needs to work in the photo, so it doesn't really matter how ridiculous this hair looks. I'm just gonna prepare some hair extensions to get those longer ringlets, then set up my studio space, and then we can take the photo. Okay, I've got my white wall, I've got my roses, my hat, my outfit. Let's try and take this photo. This is gonna be hard, but let's just try. Alright guys, here is the finished photo side by side with the original. This one took a pretty long time. I was at it all day in the edit as well, although I must say I didn't have to edit a lot in this one. Obviously enlarged the flowers and the bow a little bit, smoothed out the skin as they did in the original photo, I can tell you that. But I actually really like the outcome of this one. I mirrored my image because my light was coming in from the other side of the room, but I think it worked out great. I'm actually very surprised by how close this one is. There are of course differences in the details and everything, but I think I captured the overall vibe pretty well, and I just really like this photo. I'm very happy with it. I really like this picture. I think it came out great, and yeah, I think this one was a pretty good success. So I really hope you enjoyed watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed seeing how I recreated another old Edwardian photo that I think would fit right into one of those beautiful locket necklaces. If you did enjoy, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for lots more beauty, lifestyle, sewing and fashion content. I want to give a massive thank you to Anna and Luisa for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to check them out in the description below. This necklace is also from them, by the way. There is another video here that I think you might also enjoy. You can go watch next. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!